Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta. She's at the lean, the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Hitting the licks in the van.
What's up, people? It's Mr. Something Basic, and I'm over here with this Arctic Freezeman, basically an AC recharge kit, I guess you can call it. Basically, I need to fill it up because I'm not getting no cold air in that pig. Hopefully I don't got no leaks. This can says it stops leaks, but I doubt it. There is other ones that are better that supposedly stops the leaks and lubricates all the rubber gaskets and all that stuff in your system. I basically got this at Harbor Freight for less than 30 bucks with a 20% coupon. They have them at Pep Boys for like 30, high 30s, maybe 40 bucks. So I went to Harbor Freight and got this one. This one has basic gauge, I guess you could say. There's other ones that got you change the temperature, you turn the nozzle or something like that. So yeah, there's better ones than this, but I got this because it was cheaper. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing, but we will say. Basically, yeah, I turn my AC on and it doesn't blow out cold air. So hopefully this fixes it. Hopefully I don't gotta put more money into it, you know what I mean? I made sure that the compressor, I guess you could call it, I'm not a mechanic, so I don't know exactly what it's called. But I looked down there and I made sure that the compressor or whatever it turns on. I turn the AC on. If you're not sure what kind of refrigerant you need, there should be like a sticker around this kind of area or the top of on the bottom of the hood or whatever. It'll tell you what kind of refrigerant you use. Basically, any vehicle that's 2000 and up should need the R134A. But don't hold me up on that. I'm not a mechanic. So basically, what I'm going to do right now is turn it on and open up the, what's that joint called, the low pressure, I think, right? Yeah, the low pressure port, and I think that's right here. Basically, we'll turn it on, turn the nozzles up, have it running for a little bit, then I'm going to plug this joint onto here and see what this gauge says, and then we'll go from there. Basically, the can says you're supposed to keep all your doors open or whatever, and yeah, basically turn this motherfucker up, make sure you got the AC button on. I think it says put it on that. Give me 1 second. Then move this around. There we go. I don't know how that's going to look. But I got this little thermometer joint from Harbor Freight, this little piglet. See if it works. Alright. It's not too cold. Let's see. Yeah, it just says running for a little bit. My thermometer that's on the side of my house says it's like, I don't know, 69-ish, 65-ish degrees. This is pumping out 80-ish, 86. So, yeah, it's saying it's like pumping around 80. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm a little shaky because I just drank a shitload of coffee. It's 95-ish, 98-ish. See what happens with this Freon. Make sure you wear gloves with this shit, because this shit will fucking freeze your fingers. You want your fingers, you know what I mean? Alright, so this can said basically unscrew this cap ski. Make sure it doesn't fall down. Make sure it doesn't fall down. Put it up there. And then basically, Pop it in like that. It says it's low, so that's a plus. If it's in the red, that means something bad's going on and you need to get it to the mechanic. So I'm gonna pop this joint off and I'm gonna undo this joint and put it on. First you can unscrew it. Take this thingamajiggy off. When you pop this piggy back on. And you shake it up. I should have shook it before I took the thing off, but you shake this piglet up like you're beating your meat, like it owes you money. Alright, and then you basically pop this pig back in. Now I'm not a professional, so just hold. Alright, that's on there. And then basically, I should have never put the camera right there because it's in my way. So basically, you just fill it up and you rotate this pig. Should probably do it slower. Now it's in green, but I'm trying to get it up near 40. It says once you touch green, leave it the fuck alone, but I'm in the danger zone. Fuck it, let's get it. Well, I think I'm just gonna leave it right there, I guess. Dirty. Let's see what happens. Ooh, much more better! Let's see what we got with the thumbnail. 50, 40. Much better. 43. Beautiful. 50. 59. Whoa. Oh, that's probably because of the air outside. Alright, hold on for a sec. Thing feels like it's kind of empty. I don't know if I should try to get it in there. Hopefully I don't fuck this up. Feels like there's a little bit in here. Alright, it's on there. That 30. Come on, get in there, piglet. Shake it in there. That's it. And then basically you put this cap back on. And that's completely empty now. And make sure you put this cap back on. Try not to fuck up the threads. I mean, it's only plastic, but Alright, that's on there. Oh my god, it's so much colder! Alright. What we got here? Oh, 40, 70, what the hell, man? I don't know. Don't go off of this, but it feels 100 times colder. You know what I mean? It's saying it's 60, bro. Oh, there goes 40. It doesn't know what it is. Maybe I'll put it, oh, there we go, 39, 37, 35, 33, 32. It's getting down there. 26, 24, 23, 18, damn. 16, what the fuck? I don't know, it's saying 14, 13. It's getting colder, 12. 11. Alright, 10. Oh shit. Alright, well you get the gist. Basically, hopefully this charge fixed the problem, and hopefully I don't got no leaks, and hopefully I didn't mess up my system, my air conditioner system, because I really don't want to pay that much money to get it fixed. I might just trade this pig in and get something fresh, but I doubt it. Yeah, that's basically, it's pretty basic. You just clip that joint on, turn your car on, you know what I mean? And shoot it up, you know? That's basically it, how you recharge your AC. Yeah, that's it. Pretty basic. Holla at your boy, scream at your daddy.